In this video, I'm going to show you how I airbrushed this neon lettering. It's super easy to do. Let's get into it right now. So I'm going to be using Fluro pink and white to make these letters look like they're a neon sign. First thing I'm going to do is spray this panel black. Tip some white in the airbrush. So from a distance, I'm just going to fog in the letters. Just trying to get my style that I want. And then I can go over, once I'm happy, I can go over it and make them a bit brighter. And this is going to be the outer glow. And if you're just starting out, then you could, instead of doing it freehand, just sketch them on first, or print yourself a lettering style and then work off that, like template it on. What you want to make sure of is that the width of the letters are wide enough so that once I put the last highlight back in to make it really glow, you've got enough space to do so. Now I'm going to add some Fluro pink. So this Fluro pink has already got some reducer mixed in with it, as I've tipped it back numerous times into the original bottle, so it's ready to go. Now what I want to do is colour over everything that I've just finished with that Fluro pink. Again, do light coats, you don't have to go too heavy too quick. And this is Trident paint that I'm using, so you can follow along with any paint that you use. Just keep in mind that they may act a little bit different. You can see I'm getting a nice glow already. And it doesn't just have to be lettering that you use this for. You can use this technique for anything that you want to look as though it's glowing. See, I'm steadying myself with both hands. Just working back over that pink until I get really nice coverage. You can see by working back over the top of it, I'm thickening that up as well. And just making that glow brighter. Also keep in mind these paints, the Fluro colours, do glow in black light. Now back to the white. This is probably the hardest part because I need to get a white highlight in the centre without going right off the edge, and keep it nice and tight. So you want to be up nice and close and chase your letter. So you can go lighter to start with to get the feel for it. So I'll just map it in first. Now if you want to practice this and make it a little bit easier for yourself, then I'd recommend you give this a go on t-shirt material, or just buy a cheap t-shirt. A lot easier to work with than trying to do this on a hard surface because it's more absorbent. I'm working on an aluminium composite panel, so there's really no room for error. If I pull back too much, then it's going to spider out on me. But now that I've got my basic line, I'm just going to work back over it and brighten that up. Trying to keep it as clean as possible so that it really has that neon appearance. So when you are doing lines, or in this case you're following letters, I recommend that you look ahead. So don't look where the paint is coming out, so at the nozzle of the airbrush. Look ahead of your line, or in this case the letter, and then what happens is you tend to follow it a lot more easily. So to continue your learning, be sure to check out some of the other videos and playlists that I've got listed here. And until next time, go grab your airbrush, do some amazing artwork yourself, and I'll see you again very, very soon in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.